stuck in traffic already.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always.
Okay, so here is the current situation. It is Monday the 18th, the day we were meant to go to Wales. But last night we had to take Owen to the hospital because he had a temperature. We rung 111 and they got us an appointment at the hospital, so we went to the hospital and the doctor took his temperature there and he had a temperature of 40 degrees. So he's dosed up on Calpol, was grumpy this morning again when he woke up, but since he's had Calpol now he's a lot happier, as you can see. It's 7:15. The plan is to have a quick bit of breakfast and then leave straight away. Hopefully we're going to leave at 7:30, but I think we're going to slightly miss that. So we're still going to Wales. So I think the next update will be when we're in the car.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Where are we, Helen?
We are just about to go to the butterfly farm.
Yeah, in where?
Stratford-Apon-Avon.
There we go. Eventually, that's where we are.
Near Birmingham.
Little man's happy.
Yay,
You
we're going to go
happy?
see butterflies.
You happy? It's lovely here, scorching.
so warm in that butterfly centre. And it's nice and cool out here, even though it's about 28 degrees outside. Good job on there. Sussex League champion sprinter.
See you later, mate.
What did you find? I got a stick.
Okay, so we're on the M54, just past Birmingham and Wolverhampton. Stopped off in Stratford-Upon-Avon to see the Butterfly Centre. Stopped for a picnic. The sat nav says that we're due in Wales at 5 o'clock. We've got Helen's on the map in the background. See you in Wales.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes in my
Is it like an Enya moment?
Wow.
It's pretty epic, that, isn't it? Is that good? Daddy 5. Mummy 5.
We're in Wales on the beach near Porthmadog. There's no filter on this film. That's the colour of the sky. It's awesome. Just set up some time lapses and we watch the sun go down. In-laws are looking after Owen while he's asleep. So, good trip here. It's long, but oh my god, the sky is awesome. Look at it.
Is that purple? And orange that way. Sick.
Second time down the beach.
In a oh! Oh, what the f was that? Oh, that hurt. Ow.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
This will be a favoured spot of ours, I think.